Where's my bloody coffee? There we go. Now we'll be sorted. A tale of woe and compost. We had a discussion on the internet earlier on in the year, and the subject was about adding nutrients to compost when you're starting things off, and to save messing around later on, so they got something to feed on straight away. So me, being the gullible idiot that I am, knocked up a massive great batch of compost ready for the season. Major problem was the compost was cheap. It was rubbish. It was black, and I knew there was something wrong with it, but I just didn't know what was wrong with it. So I mixed it up with a bit of perlite, a bit of vermiculite. I put in some fish blood and bone and some wood ash for the potash, and sat back waiting for miracles, and nothing grew. And I mean absolutely nothing. I was getting 100% failures, and I couldn't work out what was going on. They were in the propagator, they were up on the hotbed, they were in all the right places where I'd always grown stuff before, and they just didn't want to know. This is a prime example. These have got no roots, and what roots are here are rotten. And the reason being, the compost is just too damn strong. It's killing them. So in theory, I've been killing my plants with kindness. So just heed this, take heed. This is a warning. Don't make the same mistake that I made. Get your ordinary compost. Get some good quality compost, not rubbish. Use it as it states on the bag. Do not add your own nutrients, please. I've set myself back absolute weeks and weeks and weeks by trying to be clever. Anyway, there we go. Mistake learnt. I like to learn something new every day, as we all should do. So there we go. Keep on gardening.